Hi everyone, I'm really excited this week because I have received this fancy RC car and I'm gonna open up the box and we will see what we have inside the box. As you can see, it has some instruction on it, which is has maximum speed 28 kilometer and it has 2.4 gigahertz remote control. So let's see what we have inside the box. There's a manual user, as you can see, and you can check before run your RC car, and there's a card which shows how to have a proper operation for better performance, so you can check both of them. And also it has a remote control, which is quite good. I'm gonna open up as well, and also has charger and one battery and a screwdriver inside here, and also main car, which the company keep it quite safe for any damage. So I'm gonna show you our car. My RC comes with two batteries, which one of them is inside the box and the second one is just inside the RC car, and it comes with a charger you can use with all the USB chargers, and one screwdriver to open up the RC car to put the battery, and also it's for remote control. And you can see the remote control is quite good and it's quite flexible to use it. When you want to use it, you need to turn it on and turn it off. When you turn it on, you can see it has a flashing light over here, and also you need to have a 3 AA battery when you buy it. I'm gonna show you how the remote control is flexible to use it and how you can see the movement of the tires. Also when you check the RC car, you can see the absorbers, which is very good to use in the nature. So I want to use my RC car in a park, so you can see how it is flexible and how you can move in the grass area and also in the ground.